Hello and welcome to the Lazy Revit tutorial, the basics of walls. First, let's head on over to the Architecture tab. Click on the wall icon, or you can use the shortcut WA. Let's draw the wall in a plan view. Draw a wall, draw another wall. Look how they join. Adjust the wall length. Adjust the wall height. Adjust the wall height to the next level. Offset the base. Offset the top. Double-click the wall in 3D view or elevation to edit the profile. Make a hole in the wall, an arch, and castle nubs. Hit that check button or enter key and apply your changes, and voila! You're doing great. Cycle the tab key to select all the walls in a chain. Change the wall type. To make a new wall type, select the wall, edit type, duplicate. Now we can change the thickness. Edit structure, increase thickness, and add a new layer. You can change the material, but that's for another video. If you learned something, drop a like. And if you want more, subscribe. Bye-bye.